Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cache and browsing data in Google Chrome, step by step. But not just that, we'll also talk about why it's important, what happens when you clear it, and why Chrome specifically matters in this process. So if your Chrome browser feels slow, pages aren't loading properly, or you're worried about your online privacy, this video is just for you. Stick around till the end. Now, you've probably seen that sometimes websites act weird. Maybe they don't load properly, or you can't log in, or some images are missing. That's often because your browser is holding on to old data called cache and cookies, which can mess with how websites function. So today, we're going to fix that together. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to ABC Hosting. This channel is all about making your online life easier, safer, and smarter. So hit that subscribe button if you like helpful content like this. Alright, let's first understand why clearing your cache and browsing data actually matters. Here's what happens when you browse the internet. Chrome stores temporary files called cache on your computer. These include things like images, scripts, and other parts of websites to help load them faster next time. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. Why you should clear your cache and data regularly. Fix website errors. If a website isn't loading correctly, clearing the cache often solves the problem. It gets rid of corrupted or outdated files. Free up space. Over time, cached files can pile up and take up unnecessary space on your device. Protect your privacy. Your browser history, cookies, and cache can reveal a lot about your habits. Clearing it helps you maintain better privacy, especially on shared computers. Speed up performance. Sometimes too much cached data actually slows your browser down. A clean slate helps Chrome run smoother and faster. Security reasons. If you visit risky sites or get pop-ups often, clearing cache can remove potentially harmful data stored locally. Fix login and form issues. If you can't log into websites or forms aren't submitting correctly, your cache may be holding on to old data. So yep, it's not just about speed, it's about security, privacy, and performance. Now, you might be wondering, why are we focusing on Chrome specifically? Well, Chrome is the most used browser in the world. It's fast, feature-rich, and super popular. But that also means it stores more data than most browsers. Plus, Chrome integrates with your Google account, syncs your activity, extensions, history, passwords, and more. So managing its data becomes even more important. That's why it's essential to know how to clear cache and data on Chrome, especially if you're using it daily. Alright, let's dive into the actual steps. Here's how to clear cache and browsing data in Google Chrome on desktop. On desktop, Windows Mac, open Chrome. Click on the three dots, top right corner. Go to Settings, scroll down and click Privacy and Security. Click on Clear browsing data. Choose the time range, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, etc. Check the boxes for browsing history cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Then click Clear data, done. Chrome will now clear the selected data and give you a fresher experience. On mobile, Android/iOS, open Chrome. Tap the three dots, top right on Android, bottom right on iOS. Go to History tab. Clear browsing data. Select what you want to delete. Again, history, cookies, cache. Choose the time range. Tap Clear data. That's it. Easy, right? Easy, right? I have one pro tip for you. If you want to keep your browsing fast without losing all your data every time, try clearing only caches and cookies, not passwords or autofill data. You can customize what to keep. And hey, if you're someone who's thinking about starting your own website, running a streaming service, or need a hosting provider that respects privacy, speed, and security, let me recommend CloudHost. CloudHost offers powerful hosting solutions, especially for creators and entrepreneurs who want more control, offshore, security, and 100% DMCA ignored hosting. Whether it's a blog, a media site, or something big, they've got the infrastructure and support you need. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check them out. Alright friends, I hope this video helped you understand why clearing your cache is important, especially on Chrome, and how to do it easily on any device. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, subscribe to ABC Hosting for more helpful tech and hosting content. And hey, if you've got any questions or confusion, Drop them in the comments below. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy browsing.